gonna show you Quora and how to make money with this site. See, the best way of making money with Quora is answering questions, and after you get answering a question, you can put in the last of the question or in the middle the link of a landing page that you're going to put your own affiliate link or other ways that you want to sell to the people. You see, for example, here's Rodrigo Faustino. He answers these questions and see how much views that he have got. More than thousands of views. You see here, if he had put his own link inside the answer is he maybe should have more than 20 or 25 thousands of lead. See, this is so easy. So if you want to use this system or this, you can go there and try to answer questions. See, here I'm going to show you example. See, we start from here answering, and it open this here. You have one question here. You can start answering these questions. See, we are going to answer. There's another people who was answering the same questions. Okay, we start writing, and at the end you must be known of this situation, and after that you can go and copy the link of your landing page. You see, I'm trying to sell these things of get response, and you can take this to your answer and paste. See, after that you can post. See, so now your answer have been sent. See, so easy.